Back with us here on Trading Hour and onto the commodity space now. Manisha Gupta is joining in, and today we are focusing on wheat. Manisha, good morning. What are you picking up?
Morning. Well, yes, you can talk about everything, but the basic food definitely comes before and it's a priority. And wheat, yes, while we have seen prices rise and the reason that the government had to ban exports here as well. So now when you look at the government wheat stocks, well, they're lowest since 2008. This is as per the number. They're still higher than the buffer norm that the government has set for itself. But then remember, government has been procuring more and more each year. Now, the expectation is that with the kind of speed that the government is procuring wheat right now, where many of the states have actually started to give bonus to the farmers as well. Even with that, we are standing just at about lower than 26 million tons. Now, when you look at last year, it was 26.2 million tons of a procurement that the government had done. So the expectations are that the government will miss its procurement targets for this year. And this is after missing it in 2023 and 2022 as well. What we also are seeing that the government has sold a lot of wheat in the open market via Food Corporation of India. Well, this was to ensure that there was wheat availability for the private trade, that is the flour mills, biscuit and bakery, etc. So a 10 million tons of a record wheat is what government already has sold into the market. And at this point in time, there's not enough procurement happening, and that might keep the prices on the higher side. Also, what the industry is reporting is that they are looking at a wheat crop of almost 6.5% lesser than what the government has put out at around 105 million tons. And they are expecting that the government will at most procure anywhere between 26 to 27 million tons, which is going to be way lower than 30 to 32 million tons of a target that the government has put out. So even with a good monsoon and the expectation that you have a good wheat crop, the fact or the expectation that you could be looking at exports opening anytime soon is something that the street is not working with.
Thank you very much for that, but not so great news for, the Indians, considering we're big consumers of wheat. But thank you, Manisha, for highlighting